Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by proving ownership. Gather original files, raw footage, project files, and timestamps so you can show clear provenance. Once done, open the Instagram notification and note the claim ID and exact timestamp of the flagged content, because you will need those to match evidence. Make sure to export high-resolution source files and any license or contract PDFs. You will upload those as attachments when disputing. This prepares you to act quickly, and it reduces back and forth. You now file the dispute through Instagram or Facebook Rights Manager if you have access. Select the exact video or post and enter the claim ID. Then upload proof, original file, license, metadata screenshots, and any contracts, and type a clear, concise statement explaining why you own the material and what remedy you want. Once submitted, monitor email and the app for follow-ups, and respond promptly to requests for more info to avoid automatic dismissals or delays in resolution. You finish by confirming the claimant's response and Instagram's decision. If they release the claim, check the post and metadata to ensure normal reach is restored. If denied, request a re-review or escalate to Rights Manager support. Only submit a DMCA counternotice if you are certain your use is lawful and you accept legal risk. Make sure to archive every message, proof, and decision, because you may need those records later for appeals or, if necessary, legal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.